Hey guys, so just in case you all did or did not know, Shiba Inu is officially on Coinbase. Some of you guys may or may not know, you guys probably don't know, but I didn't tell anybody, is I actually bought like $2,000 worth of Shiba Inu as fool's insurance. I actually bought it on my Coinbase Pro, and it's the only thing that I actually have. I bought about $2,000. It's already done like almost a full 100%. I'm just leaving it there. I'm not really doing much to it at all. And we'll kind of see what happens, right? We made a pretty good chunk of money with Doggy. More than likely, I will be buying, Shiba Inu, depending on where price is. But yeah, Shiba Inu is officially on Coinbase, and it's gone from, I think 0.0006 whatever to where it is now. But also keep in mind, from its all-time highs, at these levels, it's still around. It's still like, I think 400% away. So from previous all-time highs, it's still about a 4x. And I don't really know what the market cap of Shiba. Damn, it's already 4 billion market cap. That's crazy. That's a huge market cap, honestly, for what it is now. I don't know if it'll actually do a 10x and go to like 40 billion or ever. Let's be honest here. I don't think Shiba Inu is ever going to 1 cent, ever, like in a million years. It makes no sense at all. But, can it do like another 2-3x? Sure, why not? I think it's stupid, but it's fool's insurance, and that's the point. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.